The Vin Garde wine cabinet, model Volnay 168, is fitted with one sliding display shelf, 13 sliding horizontal shelves, and one sliding base shelf to accommodate 168 bottles, each of which can be accessed immediately by sliding out the shelf. The shelves have been designed to maximise bottle capacity and shape of bottle, so can accommodate Burgundy, Bordeaux, Alsace, etc., and also some champagne marks such as Veuve Clicquot and Laurent Perrier. The Volnay 168 is very quiet running and has an energy rating of G. Our warranty covers 2 years full parts and labour, and we maintain a large stock of all models to ensure delivery to most parts of the UK within just 2 working days.